acquired Webflow Optimize, which was a tool dedicated for optimizing your Webflow code, front end, SEO, all of that. So they acquired that company and started baking in those features. That's why we have all of this AEO stuff now. They acquired GSAP, which is GSAP. If you remember, they are to this day the animation framework that runs web. All complex animations, SVG animations, any rich animation stuff is GSAP.
Yeah.
Webflow acquired them and then baked in the entire GSAP subscription and codebase into Webflow.